Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these deconstructed stuffed mushrooms. Guys, these mushrooms are to die for. So easy to make and yet packed full of amazing flavor. So if you want to learn how to make these deconstructed stuffed mushrooms, then just keep watching. And while you're watching, guys, do not forget to like this video, leave comments in the comment section down below, and subscribe to my channel. So the first thing you'll need will be your mushrooms. You need onions, garlic, jalapeno peppers. You'll need some chopped parsley, your cheese, any kind of cheese would do, and some chunky breadcrumbs. So with some oil in the pan and some butter, I am going to start cooking my mushrooms. So today I'm cooking my mushrooms for around about 10 minutes in total because my mushrooms are large. But if you are using smaller mushrooms or you cut your mushrooms up, then you are going to have to cook it for a lesser time, okay? So while my mushrooms are cooking, I added some salt and some freshly cracked black pepper. I also added in some rosemary and some paprika. So guys, if you've been watching my videos, you know these are my go-to seasonings. So good. So now I've added in my sliced onions. At this point, I had cooked my mushrooms for around about 7 minutes. Okay, I'm not playing here, guys. I let the mushrooms really cook before adding my onions because I do not want my onions to get burnt. So add your onions later in the cooking process because your onions cook faster than the mushrooms. Do not add them at the same time. If not, your onions are going to end up getting burnt. So just make sure to add it later in the cooking process. So when you have just about a minute left in your cook time, that is when you want to add your garlic. So once you have your garlic in there, give it a really good mix. Keep it moving, guys. Keep it moving because you don't want anything to stick to the pan or get burnt. So once my mushrooms have turned really fragrant and I know it's cooked the way I like it, I'll be finishing this off with my chopped up jalapenos. Today I did not have habaneros because you know that is my favorite kind of pepper to use, but jalapenos are amazing too. So once I have my jalapeno in there, I'm going to give this a really good mix and let it cook for just about 30 seconds because I was not trying to overcook my jalapenos. Sometimes I like that raw jalapeno fresh flavor. So now I'm going to go ahead and transfer my mushrooms into an oven safe baking dish. So now I'm squeezing the juice of half a lemon on there to help balance out all those flavors, and I'm going to start adding my toppings. So guys, the reason this is called a deconstructed dish is because all the things that could have gone on the inside of the mushroom as a stuffing is now going on top of it. Get it? So I added some parsley, my shredded cheese, and my homemade breadcrumbs, and then I topped it up with some extra cheese. And I'm gonna set this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for just about 10 minutes, which is enough time for my cheese to melt down. And now this is what it looks like. It looks so pretty, it smells so good, and it tastes amazing. Look at all that melted cheese. So good. So literally you just save yourself a ton of time that could have been spent trying to stuff those mushrooms, and you just put it all on top of it and it still tastes and looks amazing. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and support a sister, okay? And if you like this video, let me know in the comment section down below and share this video with your friends and your family. I love you guys. See you all in the next video. Bye.